Hello, thanks for watching the video. So I was looking for a portable fence, a small, lightweight portable fence that I could easily move when I needed to. Something that I'm probably not even going to keep up more than a couple of hours at a time. And I went online and came across this right here. This is actually a little playpen for puppies and dogs. You put it together, it's metal. The panels are 24 inches high, I guess 24 by 24, and there's 8 panels. There's like around $55. I got this on Amazon. But yeah, it's like a something you could put up maybe if you're having a picnic and you let your dog play, and then take it up when you're finished, that kind of thing. But also you can get it in different sizes. Of course, it's going to be different prices. You can get the 20-inch if you want it small, or you can get a 32-inch. As far as the panels go, you can get multiple panels as well. So as you can see, I got 8 panels with this. You can also get 6 panels. You can get 16 panels, 24 panels, 32 panels, even 48 panels. So if I like this well enough, I have another area that I kind of want a portable fence, and I may get more panels. So today we're going to take it out of the box. I got this in 2 days, by the way, Amazon, if I didn't say this. It's a little lighter than I expected when I picked it up, but let's open it up. I'll show you how to install it, put it together, and kind of explain what I'm going to be using it for, and maybe get an idea whether you can use this for your little puppies, dogs, etc. Nicely packaged. We have some instructions, a little glove here. I'm not sure what for, maybe putting it together. We've got these right here. We're going to go on the end of the poles. If you want to put this indoors to keep your floor from being scratched, I'll show you that a little bit later. We have all our panels here securely together. So yeah, really happy with the way it's packed. Here are the rods that we have. These rods have little balls on the end or the top. And then on the bottom here, you can push these into the ground. Or if you're indoors, you can put those little plastic protectors on before you put it on the floor. We have 9 of these instead of 8. I'll explain why we have the 9th one later. They are hollow. Of course, they're painted. So it should protect from rain. We have our panels here. The rods will be going in these rings on each side of the panel. The panels are 24 by 24. However, these rings are different on each side, so you have to line them up like you see here, and they'll fit together, and then slip the rod down. You can push it into the ground, or like I said earlier, if you're going to use it on a hard surface indoors, use those rubber, where are they, right here on each end. All our panels are the same. It doesn't matter which two you grab to put together. You just need to make sure that the rings are set where that you can drop your rods in. For example, these are the same height here, so we need to take one of these and bring it to the lower set of rings on this side. Then we can drop our rod through the rings. That's all there is to it. We'll continue on with our rest. We can make this in a circle shape. Like I said earlier in the video, I wanted to make this a temporary fence. So I'm going to extend mine out as long as I can and put it in the area where I want it to be. I'll show you that, and I will show you when it's completely installed in a circle, which is what most people will probably be using it for, to put your pet in, your puppy or small dog. Obviously, you don't want a dog that can jump out of this. Again, you can get the higher ones if you want. 32-inch, I think, is the highest, I think I said. So let's go ahead and finish it up. So here are my panels put together. This is going to be what I'm using it for as a temporary fence on the outdoors. As you can see, it's going across the driveway with all 8 panels. It's 16 inches wide or long, 24 inches, you know, of course I've said that, high. Took like 5 minutes to put this together. So remember I said we had 9 of the rods. Well, if you use it like this, you will need 9, and I've pushed the 2 ends into the ground, so that worked out well. The cement, I cannot do that, but that is what the 9th one is for. So I'll be using this to keep people from, or a person from, going down to the busy road there, staying up here where they should be. And in my case, the fence is really easy to move. All I do is just pull it across the driveway, keeping it low so that the rods don't come out. Just tuck it out of the way somewhere, like in this case behind a fence, and now cars can come in and out, and then when I want to close it, I can just pull it back across the driveway. Let's go ahead and put it completely together in a circle. I'll let you see what that looks like. And I don't have a dog or a puppy, but I'll get something similar to simulate that. You can get an idea of how much room they will have. So here is probably the most common configuration here. All our panels connected. And I've got 55 inches by 56 inches. Not a whole lot of room really. Again, you can buy, you know, more panels with the kits that they offer, and the prices are pretty reasonable the more you buy. So I don't have a puppy or a small dog, so let's just put this pillow in there so you can kind of get an idea for your own use. And pretty secure. When you put these in, you have about, looks like 3 or 4 inches to drive into the soil. Again, I didn't use that except for when I had it extended out here. I had it on one end, of course, in the grass, but pretty sturdy for what it is. I like it. I think I'm going to get some use out of it. And that's going to be it, I guess, for Mini Paws Playpen. This is the 8-panel box that I bought. It's 24 inches each panel. And again, I wanted to show you. I've mentioned it. Wasn't able to put these on today, but yeah, they're for indoor use. Keep you from scratching your floors. You just push these little rubber end caps on the end, and that will help you keep your floor from becoming scratched. So thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.